Hello, today we are showing to how to change a editable template and changing a color, images and text. So here is a when you downloaded a purchase a file. As you can see, here is the file. When you get a purchase, uh, click on it and extract the file. When you extract the file, here is the main file. Here is the all the file, uh, Illustrator file, EPS file, help file and information file. As you can see, help file, we click on it and here is a download this two fonts for this file. Font mode, click on it, Control C, copy and paste on the art on the Google Chrome and find out the font. Click on it and um, download the full font family. As you can see, when you download full font family and install it, go to folder option and extract the file. Okay, and then you get the monster font, as you can see, and just install your computer. When you install both fonts, then go to your main file and as you can see, here is the EPS file and AI file. As in much your wish, you can open AI file or EPS file. EPS file must be is a lower version. So when you open the file, then you can get the file is here. Here is your file, and now we are going to change your first of all. And this is all is editable text and the logos. If you change your logo, you just um, click on it, click to move selection tool and click on it and press delete or backspace. When you delete it, uh, file, go to file menu and place. When you place, open your logo and place on it on the artboard. Also embed it. Here is your radio file. Then we are starting to edit our text. Then go to text type tool, or you can see window and go to type character. Go to type option and sub option character. When you choose the character option, you can edit your text easily. As you can see, here is your company, like a waste.com or marketing agency. You can edit your text here. Then you can edit your text. This is all editable text. You can choose your type tool and edit any kind of text here. And then this is a bifold, as you can see. And then you can edit your about section, and then you add your winning section, add your team member name, what you do, what you do with your team, and uh, uh, which designation they are, like a graphic designer, UX designer, lead designer. You just edit like a, this is a web designer or web developer. Here is, you can change all the text as you wish. Then we are going forward to image. Then choose the window menu, going to a link option, and here is our all images. And so when you click on the out of artboard, then you can see here is a no selection. When you select this image, as you can see, this is the linked option. Then you relink from CC library, relink from your computer. Then going to relink and choose as you can, as your wish. Like this is your image placed on it, this is placing. You can press Control and up or down, or get into middle the point. Like this is our first image, this is our team image. Click on it, going to relink, and and like this is the image. As you can see, I click on Shift Alt press, and then up and down, place in the image on properly. Click on move tool, then image, and click on relink, and click your images as you want, place on it properly. And then we have a, as a last image, click on relink, click on your image, place on it properly. As you wish, you can change your size. This is the change as you wish, and use obviously use it properly. Then we are moving forward to change the color. when you choose change the color, um, select the whole artboards and go to edit option and go to edit option and edit colors, recolor artwork. If you edit any colors, then here is your color. Like this color I will change in uh, or red or blue or um, green. Like I will change it to green, then it will be green. As you can see, the whole I will it dark gray. Yes, there. Yes, this is properly done. Then you can see the whole entire artboard shapes all will be um, change the color properly. And again press Ctrl A, or you can select the whole entire all the artboards and to edit, go to edit option, edit color, recolor artwork. As you can see, you can change the red color. uh, Click on it and go to the red color. Yes, yes, this is cool. So press OK, then you can see all the change, all are changed in red color. So this is so much easy to edit any option, change color and change text, images and logos, etc. So now we can see how to ready to print for this brochure. So for printing purpose, we going to file menu, go to save as, Adobe Illustrator, go to PDF, Adobe PDF, click on it, use artboard, save. Then we are going to an option. This is high quality print, and go to mark and bleed. Click uh, click on trim mark and click on trim mark and click on use document bleed setting. Press save PDF. Once save the PDF, we are going to see how look it is. I'm going to a menu. This is the print ready. Click on it, and then we are going to our bifold brochure for the printing purpose. As you can see, this is our brochure for ready to print. This is our last image, then going to first and then second and then third. So thank you so much for watching this video.